Hi friends, this video shows how to select a capacitor for starter. So this is a starter box. In this starter box you can see one capacitor, switch, then LED light, then 5 ports here. In these 2 ports we need to connect the uh, cables from the main power supply. In these 3 ports, red, yellow and blue, we need to connect the wires from the motor. So this capacitor, you can see the value of this capacitor is 36 m of t plus or minus 5%, 440 VAC and 50 Hz. So first let me explain the circuit diagram. So this is a circuit diagram, anybody can understand it. So there is a circle, this is a motor. So inside the motor there is 2 windings, one red winding and one start winding. You can see there is a one cable which is going outside from the red winding, that is a red cable. There is a cable, another cable which is going outside from the start winding, that is a yellow cable. There is another cable that is a blue cable, that is, you can see it's connected to both red and start winding, so we call it as a common cable. You can see this blue common cable is connected to the neutral from the main power supply, and this red cable is connected to the phase of the main power supply. And there is a capacitor. You can see where capacitor is connected. Capacitor is connected to the red and yellow cables which is coming from the motor. So we can connect capacitor directly to the red and yellow cable. So this motor will not start if this capacitor damaged. So that time we need to replace the capacitor and add a new capacitor. So if this capacitor is damaged, so we need to buy a new capacitor. So you can check the values of this capacitor and we can buy a similar capacitor. It can vary plus or minus 5%, that is not a problem. We can buy a similar capacitor with these values and you can add it here. When you add a capacitor, make sure that you connect it to red and yellow cables of the main which is coming from the motor. That is the only thing. Connect capacitor to the red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. So how do you identify the red and yellow? So in this starter box we can easily identify because in this starter box they are already marked it. So you can see red, yellow and blue, 2 motor, red, yellow, blue, 2 main, phase, neutral. So red and yellow. So actually you can see here that in that red and yellow they connected this capacitor. Okay, so if you want to remove this, you can remove these 2 screws, then you can remove the cables, then we can take the capacitor out. So and you can buy a new capacitor with this value and you can add it here. So when you connect capacitor back, make sure that you connect it to the red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. That is the only thing. Okay, so if you are confused with previous diagram, you can check this diagram. So here also you can see red, yellow and blue, these 3 cables actually going to the motor, and you can see this blue cable is connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and this red cable of connected to the phase of the main power supply, and there is a capacitor which is connected to red and yellow cables which are going to the motor. And this is for LED bulb, this is optional, and if you want a switch you can connect a switch in the phase line here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.